What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change back your language in Steam. So if you're currently in Steam and you change your language somehow, or you realize that the language is changed and you want to get it back, just follow these steps. Even if the language you don't, even if the language you're in is in a different language and you don't understand it, you'll be able to see. So let me guide you. Go ahead and click the Steam logo in the upper left hand side, or the word Steam, and you want to click the second to last option here in the list. The last one is exit, and the one above is settings. We'll be going into the settings. Now you have three, let's say, boxes right here. The first one towards the right is your account details. You want to click at that. And from here, now you want to look to the left hand side. Now, the left hand side, you want to go ahead and choose the fifth option down in the list, and that's the language and preferences. And so once you're here, you'll be taken under the preferred language or the language preference section. This drop down here is going to show you the language that you currently have set as your primary language. And you can click the drop down and you want to look for the language that you want to set. So if I wanted to change mine to Finnish, or I wanted to change it to Czech, or whatever it is, I can always go ahead and change my language right here. Once you select your language, you can scroll down to the bottom and you have this greenish button right here that says save. That's how you can change your language. Now, they also have secondary languages that you can choose from right here. And they also have additional game content languages that you can choose right here as well. But that's it. Once you make any changes, just go ahead and click and save. That's all that you have to do, guys.